Unit 1.5 Atomic Structure and Electron Configuration. What is the electron configuration of an oxygen atom in the ground state? And so before we go on to this problem, Unit 1.5 Atomic Structure and Electron Configuration. What is the electron configuration of an oxygen atom in the ground state? And before we go on to this problem, I want to explain what electron configuration is. So electron configuration represents how much electrons are in the given element represented by the problem. So if you take a look at the periodic table, so these are s orbital, and these are p orbitals, and these are d orbitals, and these are f orbital. And we need to classify where oxygen is using these orbitals and how much electrons are in each group of orbitals. So we need to look at the oxygen, which is here in the p area. So the order of electron configuration, it's always going to start with 1s2 because 1 represents, so like the number in front, like the 1 over here, it represents which period you're in. So it's going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1s2 represents there are 2 electrons in the s orbital of period 1. By the way, helium is s orbital, it's not p. And going on, it's going to be 2s2 because it's in period 2 and there are 2 electrons in the s orbital. And oxygen, it's going to be 2p4 because it's in the period 2 and it's in the p orbital, and oxygen is the fourth element in the p orbital of period 2. So the ground state means it's most stable state. Most stable state. So most stable state is just gonna be like this: 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4 because oxygen is the fourth element of p orbital in the period 2.